Today, we will explain how to activate UVO Link with embedded telematics, which is available on many Kia vehicles. First, you will need to download the Kia Access with UVO Link app and register an account. Also, Kia has recently launched an all-new Kia Owners Portal, owners.kia.com. This new portal allows Kia owners to schedule maintenance appointments, track payments, and it also provides a virtual glove box of manuals and warranty information. The Kia Access with UVO Link app applies to newer vehicles with embedded technology and offers a number of convenient remote features. To complete the activation process, open the app and follow the prompts to register your account, and then activate your UVO Link with Navigation Head Unit. Start by going to the activation screen. Press the Setup key. Press the UVO icon. Press UVO Activation. Then agree to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy and press Submit. Also, enter your smartphone number or email address to receive a verification code. Then press Submit. And once you retrieve the code from your text or email, enter the code, press Submit, and that should complete the account setup process. Registration and activation is easy with UVO Link. Simply create an owner account, download the appropriate app, and you will be up and running. For more information, visit the Kia Feature video channel. Refer to the Car Multimedia System User's Manual and the Quick Start Guide that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.